Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video we're showing you how to download a Bank of America statement. So whether you are preparing your taxes, applying for a loan, or just keeping your personal bookkeeping up to date, you are going to need your official bank statements. Instead of waiting for paper copies to arrive in the mail, you can just grab an official, secure PDF copy in seconds. Right, so to pull your records from a computer, head to the official Bank of America website and log in using your account ID and passcode. As you can see right here, input your username, passcode, and then press sign in. After that, guys, on your main home dashboard screen, look at your account list and click directly on the specific checking, savings, or credit card account you need documents for. So choose accounts right here and choose the proper accounts you need to manage and take that statement for. Right, then once the account details screen loads up, you can look right below the main balance display block and click on the tab labeled Statements and Documents, as shown also on the screenshot right here. The interface will refresh to show you a clean chronological list of all your statements. Simply click the drop-down menu to filter by exact year you want, which is highlighted here under step 4. Locate the specific month you need and click the blue link name to hit the download PDF action button to save it directly to your hard drive. So as you can see, you just click on the statement, this little pop-out window, context menu window pops up, choose download PDF, and you're instantly downloading it onto your PC. That is it, guys. As you can see, very simply done. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.